Hello students, my name is Santosh Kumar. Today we are going to study history from class 7, chapter 3, which is the Delhi Sultan, which is also called the Delhi Sultanate. In this chapter, today our topic is finding out about the Delhi Sultans. Children, we get information from inscription, coins and architecture, but best way of getting information about Delhi Sultan are stories. These stories was famous as Tariq or Tariq. Basically, Tariq is a singular word and Tariq which is plural word. Now, the histories was a famous as a Tariq and Tariq were written in Persian because at the time Persian language, that was the language of the administration under Delhi Sultan. Now, this is the fourth picture. In your book have a fourth picture. This is number A picture, which shows that preparing the paper. This is the picture number B, which shows that writing the text, and this one is picture C, which shows that melting gold to highlight important words and passages. Now this is picture number D, which shows that preparing the binding. Now, if we talk about the authors of Tariq, were learned men including secretaries, administrators, poets, etc. Means the learned people, they were writing a Tariq or Tariq. Basically, these authors or writers, they were writing about only kings, not for common people. Now we will learn that whatever was written by authors like events, administration, powers, etc. Now, authors of Tariq, they lived in cities. Yes, most of the authors lived in cities. They did not belong to villages, so they writing about that only. Number 2, they wrote their stories for sultans in hope of rich rewards. Means writers writing about only king and kingdom in positive manner because they were hoping for rich rewards. Number 3 is these authors advise rural on the need to preserve an ideal social order based on birthright and gender distinctions. Dear students, in this point have two words which is very important. First one is birthright and second one is gender distinction. Now birthright, people believe that nobles inherit their rights because they were born in certain families. So this is the showing caste discrimination, and it was opposed by one ruler, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Now, gender discrimination. Gender discrimination means social and biological differences between men and women. Here, it is so that which time in Delhi Sultanate, gender discrimination was present. People thought that man was superior than women, whereas women inferior than man. Now we have example. Razia. Students, Razia became Sultan in 1236 as she was more able and qualified than her brothers. She was dethroned in 1240 only for being a woman. She was unacceptable to the nobles. Now, another example is Rudram Devi. Rudram Devi is belongs to Warangal, Andhra Pradesh. She could rule only as she pretended as male. So these are the some example about gender discrimination at the time of Delhi Sultanate. Now, children, next video we will discuss about the expansion of Delhi. Thank you.